Hi everyone, my name is Jess and I am a thriftaholic part-time reseller. I decided to take a chance. There was an email I received for 15% off rescue boxes, which I don't recall getting in the near past. So I went ahead, got a rescue shoe box. I got 10 pieces. It broke it down, took $9 off, and so with the shipping included, I paid a total of like $5 and some change on each pair of shoes to resell. I did cut the tape, but I have not opened it yet. There's my receipt right here, 10 pieces for $60, but again, it was $9 off, so I paid $51 plus $6 in shipping. This box, in case you're interested, did come from Arizona, as some people like to know. So let's get started. I love selling shoes, the ones that are like cheaper. I'm just going to put on Facebook and try to recoup my money. So first impression is mixed. I see Converse. I see some really awesome blue ones. So these are really nice. These are Mark Fisher. So it's a perforated suede. It's like royal blue with a gold tone zipper back. Let's find the other one to see if it's damaged. No, these are in like new condition. So these should do well. I may just send these back. I personally don't sell heels very well. So again, as long as the size is on the, yeah, these are a 7. I will just be sending these back. I have a cold, so don't mind. I sound kind of congested because I do have, not a cold, I guess it's allergies, but look at the detail on that. These are gorgeous, women's size 7. Toe caps, I mean, these look brand new. I'll show you the bottoms. Worn once or twice. And a magic eraser will actually get that discoloration off. The next pair, I used to pick these up all the time, like at the bins, but they're kind of slow. They're slowly moving for me. Too slow that I pass them up now unless they're like a special edition. These are a pair of Converses, All Stars, low top. These actually are a little bit different because these are the slip-on style, which is nice. So you don't tie your shoe, you slip them on, and it's got a little bit of a stretchy back. It's got gray. The magic eraser does amazing cleaning up the toes as far as removing dirt and scuffs. These are a women's 6, which my niece wears this size, so I may just see if she wants these. They're cute, casual. The next pair is something that I will put on Facebook. It's a pair of universal thread gold rope sandals. So this is just Target. These are a size 8. I could keep them, but I do not like this style. They feel very uncomfortable. Cheaper sandals tend to give me blisters, unfortunately. So cute style, but I will probably put on Facebook for $10. So far there's 3. Yay! I was hoping to get some Tory Burch. I've been recently watching some rescue boxes from people that have opened some boxes recently. Ooh, okay. Never mind. Too much of an early celebration. These are damaged. So here we have some patent leather Tory Burch flats. Ballet flats with the little logo and bow, which is super cute. However, there is damage to a couple spots. Like, I don't think these are even sellable. So you see the leather's peeling up? I can try gluing that down, but that's just like a return waiting to happen. And since these curve, I think these got too cold at some point because the covering has cracked. Do you see that? I can probably still sell these as is. Oh wait, no I can't. It's cracked all along the creases here. Oh, that is so sad. Okay, well, if you're interested, maybe I'll just take the bows off and sell the bows for like 10 bucks. And make a couple bucks. I'm trying to find a size. A lot of times it gets worn off. Yeah, so these are a size, goodness gracious, I can't tell you. Anyways, I can hardly see inside there. It's like right up here. Terrible spot. So I will see about possibly removing the bows or just selling them as is on Facebook for like $15 and just disclose maybe just $10. That one was sad, man. Okay, no more early celebrations. All right. The next pair is some classic Vince Camuto pumps. I typically don't like picking up patent leather because I'm not very good at cleaning it. I know you can use like Vaseline or I can't remember something to make it look nice again, but I'm going to send these back. These are really tiny. Oh my gosh, these are size 4. That is ridiculous. So yeah, size 4. I'm just going to send these back. I don't see any damage to the shoe. They just need like wiped down. Do you see how it like almost looks dirty? So yeah, size 4. I don't even know if they sell a size 4. Yeah, they will. They will. Heels look okay. So far, I'm going to send 2 pairs back to them. Here we have some Calvin Klein heels. Open toe with a little strap around the ankle. It's kind of hard to show you guys. They're like a beige. Is that beige? No, it's gray. Looks beige on camera. But this is gray and black. Suede. Nice condition. They do need like, they've been kind of smashed. But I think I will hang on to these for like maybe 2 months and then I will send them back because they are a summer shoe. I'm just going to send those back. Calvin Klein does okay for me on ThredUP. Here we have some Steve Maddens. Again, I don't do well with this style of shoe. This is like, these are the kind of shoes I wore 15 years ago. Steve Maddens right here. I mean, they've been worn. You can see the wear, but they're not in terrible shape. These are a size, gosh, it's almost worn off. 9. Do you hear that? I don't know if we'll even take them. The leather's like, I don't know. I'm just going to send those back and see if they take them. Yeah, I don't see any damage or anything. The size is partially worn off, so maybe that's why. Here's a pair of sandals. I typically don't like picking up sandals. Again, universal thread. These are Target. These are actually really cute. Gladiator style. These are really cute. But again, there's like, I'm all about comfort. Like, I live in Crocs, honestly. So I never thought I would say that because I do not think that they're cute at all. But when I am 70 and people who are wearing heels and really bad support shoes, when they're having feet problems, hopefully I'll still be very active. That's my goal. These are really cute. Size 10. I'll put these on Facebook for $10. We have 2 pairs left. It's been okay. I'll probably just make my money back. I like picking up comfort shoes because that's what people wear. Realistically, it's comfort shoes to work. I like selling this brand. This is UYUU. You can see it there. These are memory foam comfort shoes. These are an 8.5 leather, navy blue, or I guess it's fabric, and a leather toe. But these will go back to ThredUP. I'll mark the price up. And I'm not sure why they did not take these. I don't know, because when I have people process my kits for ThredUP, it depends who processes. Recently, I've been getting almost every single item that I send them accepted. So hopefully that's a good thing, because that means more chances of making more money. All right, the last pair does not look very promising. Forever 21. These, oh my gosh, I cannot imagine wearing these. It's like not even wearing shoes. Style is good. They're just some slip-ons, point toe flats with a faux black suede. These do have some wear on them. These are a size, again, they probably just had the size on the stickers. So yeah, they don't have the size inside. So what I do is I try them on. I typically wear an 8.5, and these look pretty small. I'm going to say like 6.5 to a 7. So overall, I would give this a 6 out of 10. In my opinion, I typically don't do very many unboxings for ThredUP because I don't like taking risks. I'm very, very cheap, and I'd rather go and pick out the shoes myself. But my favorite pair was the first pair I pulled out, of course. Mark Fisher, which I think price is decent on ThredUP. My least favorite pair are these, just because I don't know the size, and it's just Forever 21, which is fast fashion I always pass on. So, and the most sad pair of shoes, very disappointing, are these Tory Burch. If you have any idea what to do with these Tories, please tell me, because I mean, if they were my size, I've owned Tories before and they just don't have enough comfort support. I need more cushioning. So again, I'll probably just put these on Facebook, disclose the flaws, and maybe use either a Sharpie or some black shoe polish to try to cover that so it's there. And it's started to crack right here. I mean, I can still probably get $15 for them, but I'm not going to list them anywhere but Facebook just because. So let me count my shoes to make sure I got them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I got all 10 pairs. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and don't forget to like this video, share, comment, do all those things. It greatly helps my channel. I provide ThredUP content, reseller content, vintage content, all of the above. Mom life. I recently filmed with my toddler, and that was kind of a hot mess. Check it out as my previous video. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Bye.